Hi Brainbox. Welcome to Brainbox YouTube channel. We are now in the third part of this adverbs learning series. If you haven't checked out our first and second episodes yet, just click the icon in the top right corner of this video. In this video, we will talk about the three categories of adverbs. Most specifically, the comparative and superlative forms of adverbs and how they are used in sentences. Are you excited to learn? Just keep watching. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to keep you posted about other review topics. You can also avail of our CSE books and other reviewers. Just click the link to our shop in the caption below. Adverbs, like adjectives, can have equivalent, comparative, and superlative forms to indicate different degrees of intensity or manner. Let's explore each category with examples in sentences. First, equivalent adverbs. Equivalent adverbs describe an action or quality without comparing it to others. They don't show degrees of comparison and are used when there is no need to make a comparison. For example, the beach is far from our hotel. In this sentence, the adverb far is used without making any comparisons. Second, comparative adverbs. Comparative adverbs are used to compare two actions or qualities, indicating that one action or quality has a higher or lower degree than the other. They typically use the er ending or more before the adverb. For example, the blue hiking trail is farther from the entrance than the green one. In this sentence, the comparative adverb farther is used to compare two actions or qualities. And the last one, superlative adverbs. Superlative adverbs are used to compare three or more actions or qualities, indicating that one action or quality has the highest or lowest degree among the group. They typically use the est ending or most before the adverb. For example, among all the islands, this one is the farthest from the mainland. In this sentence, the superlative adverb farthest is used to compare three or more actions or qualities and indicate the highest or lowest degree. Using equivalent, comparative, and superlative adverbs can add richness and precision to your descriptions and comparisons of actions or qualities in sentences. What about you? Can you think of other adverbs that use the er and est endings in their comparative and superlative forms? That's great! Now let us test your understanding. Answer this 3-item practice exercise if you really understand the topic. In this practice test, identify the adverb that correctly fills in the blank. For number 1, the grocery store is blank to my apartment than the mall. What is the appropriate adverb for the sentence? Letter A, nearest. Letter B, nearer. The correct answer is letter B, nearer. Nearer is the comparative form of the adverb near, and is used when comparing the proximity of two locations. In this sentence, nearer compares the proximity of the grocery store to the speaker's apartment to the proximity of the mall. It indicates that the grocery store is closer than the mall. For number 2, among all the applicants, she submitted her application blank. What is the appropriate adverb for the sentence? Letter A, earlier. Letter B, earliest. The correct answer is letter B, earliest. Earliest is the superlative form of the adverb early, and is used when comparing 3 or more times. In this sentence, earliest compares the time she submitted her application to the times of all the other applicants. It indicates that she submitted her application before all the others. For the last item, she studied blank for the final exam to improve her grades. What is the correct adverb form? Letter A, hard. Letter B, harder. The correct answer is letter B, harder. In this sentence, harder is used as an adverb to describe the manner in which she studied. It indicates that she put more effort or intensity into her studying compared to her previous efforts, all with the goal of improving her grades in the final exam. Alright. I hope you got all the answers right. If not, you can still repeat this video and learn once again. That's all for today. Share this video for others to learn too. If you want to learn more, you can avail of our CSE books and other reviewers. Just click the link to our shop in the caption below. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.